everyone. I am Afrin from Chennai and I'm currently pursuing the computer science engineering in Francis Xavier Engineering College. I have completed both RSCSA and RSCE examination through Advantage Pro. So the Vectro Technosoft Private Limited provide an internship as a technical trainee in Sriram Engineering College. Our role is to troubleshoot the student doubt during their lab sessions. This internship provide me a real-time work experience. I'm very thanks to Technosoft Private Limited for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.